Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some tips to fix unable to connect to a data center on Warzone Mobile. So, firstly you should try restart your phone. After that, if the problem still occurs, then check for Update Warzone. To do that, on Android phone open Google Play Store. Next, at the top right, tap the profile icon. Tap Manage Apps and Device. Apps with an update available are labeled Update Available. Tap Update. On iOS device, open the App Store. Tap your profile icon at the top of the screen. Scroll to see pending updates and release notes. Tap Update next to an app to update only that app, or tap Update All. Once done, relaunching Warzone Mobile and check if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Clear Warzone cache. Go to Settings. Tap Apps. Scroll down to find Warzone app. Tap on Warzone. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Final, restart your device. Method 3. Change the region of the Activision account. You should try to change the region of the Activision account to Australia. After that, log out and log in back, and see if this helps you. For how to change the region, please watch the video linked in the description. In addition, you should also try to change the region to the right region where you live. Method 4. Using the VPN. Currently, Warzone Mobile is only available to play in Australia as part of the beta release. Therefore, if you are not in Australia, you will need to spoof your location and make it seem like you're in Australia. Try changing to another Australian server, then launch Warzone and see if the problem is fixed. Method 5. Power cycle the router. Turn off the router. After that, unplug the modem and router from the power outlet. Wait at least 15 seconds. Plug the modem back into the power outlet first, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on your cable modem to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your phone, then launch Warzone and see if the problem is fixed. If the problem persists, then try enabling or disabling the UPnP in your modem settings. To do that, launch a browser on your computer or mobile. Next, type in your IP address in the address bar, which in most cases is 192.168.1.1. This is the IP address which is associated with your router. You can also check the backside of the router to get the IP address. Press Enter to navigate to the ISP's login page. Enter the username and the password for your router. Now, you just need to find it in your settings for your router and enable or disable it. Once done, relaunching Warzone Mobile and see if the problem is fixed. Finally, if none of the above methods work, then uninstall and reinstall the game as the last resort that I can recommend to you. That's it guys, hope this helped you. If there are any other possible methods, please leave a comment below the video. Thanks.